toes, reading a magazine, drinking a beer, eating pistachios. Multitasking.
That's great. Today is like day 2 of my new vlog style. Yesterday, I didn't talk like at all, and it was magical. It was uplifting. I didn't have to do anything. It was great around editing time. Today, it is 10:15, and you basically saw about what I did today. I didn't do too much. I'm under the weather. I have the hiccups, and they magically stopped as soon as I pressed record. New hiccup hack. And I'm slightly under the weather. Sydney took care of me because she's just so great. I slept in late, and by late I mean like 8 o'clock, which is late for us. And I actually got a lot of work done despite me being sick. But tomorrow